What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to this ENR video. Me and Ruben, he's over there with his own toy bow and arrow. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everything. If we get 50 likes on this video, we'll post another video on the weekend of us doing anything. We'll probably think of something. But yeah, 50 likes. I'm stuck my fingers. 50 likes, and we'll post a new video on the weekend. Alright, guys, we're gonna keep this video short. So guys, we're at Walmart. I need to buy some line. Ruin. Oh. Still hot?
No, get like a 15 or 12. Get a 12. 12.
Oh, this is the one I wanted.
It's the one you lost.
Yeah.
Need some anchovies. Anchovies. Oh, look at the anchovies already here.
Anchovies.
Ugh, that's nasty. Now, where the minnows I wanted?
It's a big shad. Shad?
No, shad don't work.
Stank, baby.
Stank. Oh, we need, where they at? Dude, they don't have them. I think they were gone because it was on sale. Fuck, they're gone. Some booty liquor. Oh, we need some of this too. Magic thread.
For what?
For the to keep the bait on the hook.
Everyone needs it. Right, it's one of them. Whoa.
Yeah, on the hook. Oh, these ones right here, the gulps. Those are clean. Oh, let's get the anchovies. That shit stinks, dude.
Where's the last one?
No, get the more juice. The more juice, the better.
New ones, though, back.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you're right. No, I probably do it like Panera.
There's more.
This smells good.
Alright, guys. Ruben said if we get 100 likes on this video, we'll eat an anchovy.
Stop lying.
I'll eat one if y'all hit 100 likes.
Oh, you heard that? Yeah, eat one. A whole one, too. A whole one. It says right there, not for human or pet consumption.
When do you get a...
You're gonna die.
Oh, for bass? Which one's a good one?
You have some in your tackle.
Alright, stay tuned for the next... I don't know. Alright, guys. We made it to the party recreation area for fishing. We're just getting our stuff on. Ruben's already down there. Getting stuff ready. I'm just putting my stuff on. Got my fishing pole. Got everything ready. We should be here till like 12 because I got work at 3. Should be a good day. Hope we get something at least this time. And we'll be posting. And I was thinking like when I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be showing you guys what I have in my backpack. Also in Ruben, what he has in his backpack. We'll be showing what we have when we hit 100 subscribers. That's when we'll post it up because, you know, it's to do it. Yeah. Alright. Update. Been here for like an hour and a half. Almost. We got a couple bites. And still nothing.
Hook. Fuck this hook.
He lost his hook. I mean, I hope we get something.
Eat it.
Oh, eso no vaya a salir. Oh, pobrecito.
Oh, you jumped.
You jumped?
Yeah. That's a buck right there.
What's up, guys? We're here at the river. We're getting a new line in. Look how beautiful this is. See that?